Hi everyone, I'm Michelle Perrone and I'm making this video on behalf of myself and Shannon Fulton, who is my teaching partner at Taft-Holly. We teach Math 8 and Algebra, and I'm hoping to share with you today some of the tools and strategies we use to manage our math classes. So the first thing I want to mention is that we co-plan our lessons and we co-build our Canvas courses, and we are TAs in each other's classes. When we do our lesson delivery, usually one of us will lead the lesson and the other one will be kind of our support system in the chat specifically. So the supporting teacher manages the chat, troubleshoots tech issues, shares links. They let kids in late and catch them up on what we're doing. And they also give specific feedback in private chats to kids who are participating. So we deliver our lessons. We split our time between Nearpod, which I'll show you in a second, and also using the document camera to show our workbook lessons. So Nearpod has a bunch of cool features like poll questions, drawing and graphing collaboration boards, and matching pairs, so kids get a chance to be interactive with the lesson, and as teachers, we get a chance to see what they're doing in real time. So there are a couple elements of Canvas that are super important to how we teach, and the first one is our structure of our modules. So for every day that we teach a lesson, like today for example, we have a workbook lesson and all of the lesson resources. So that includes vocabulary for the lesson support videos, workbook notes that are downloadable and also viewable right here. They'll be there in just a sec. Here is the Nearpod presentation that we did for today. Kids can make it full screen, but if they want to fill in their notes, they can go back to the Nearpod lesson, get vocabulary and examples. Most lessons have a self-check quiz, and for this lesson, since it's geometry, there's virtual graph paper and a tutorial on how to use it. So kids have access to all of the resources they need, even if they were absent in class, or maybe they were late, or they were just not able to get all their notes down. They have everything they need to access the lesson right here. So in our grade books, even though we use our gradebook in Synergy, that's our official gradebook, we also utilize the Canvas gradebook. So it helps us to keep organized, and if a lesson or a quiz or an assignment has a little asterisk in front of it, that is a reminder to the kids that that's an official grade in Synergy. So we can tell if a kid is doing their assignments and how they're doing on their actual graded quizzes. We also use this feature called Message Students Who to reach out to kids individually who haven't submitted an assignment or who scored less than or more than a certain number. And this helps us with work completion. What else do we do? So we utilize our student support specialist in a lot of different ways. We like to, after a self-check quiz maybe, analyze the results and design a short breakout room session, which is what this is. So this was the design for a 15 to 20 minute breakout room where kids reviewed a short video that was made by us teachers, and they went over some examples with the student support specialist and then retook their self-check quiz. And that was about a 15 or 20 minute breakout room that we did following a self-check quiz. Those are some of the big things that we do to support each other as math teachers, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. Have a great day.